Baka tamaan dito eh. Lalampas
Okay, today sa April ano ngayon? April 2, year 2026. It's a Holy Thursday. Yan, sige.
Mali ka, Buk.
Hoy! Aya!
Walang ansi, ano? Walang... Dapat may isa pang cellphone.
Paulo and Mark, yan, nandito. Dami natin ngayon dito. It's a Holy Thursday. Today is Holy Thursday. Woo! Ganda ng bike mo. Ganda ng bike. Maliit, cute siya. Cute.
Ano, bakit? Sira na ba?
Okay. Anyway,
Gamitin mo lang. Okay pa yan.
that's about it. Thank you.